The beauty of the creation goes on, even if there's no one around to see it. We're going to take another look at that Craftsman LT1000. Cuts grass fine, but as you can see, the drive belt for the mower deck finally gave out. We're going to roll the tractor back into the sun where it's nice and warm, because we don't want to get too close to the baby birds. What does hugging out your feelings even mean? Okay, first thing we're going to do is disconnect the rear axle. The old belt's jammed in there. There's a diagram here on the cutting deck that shows the order the belt goes in. There are a total of 5 pulleys. Make sure all of them can spin. The blade drive pulleys have brakes on them, so you have to pull that brake back to make sure this spins okay. You don't want to put a new belt on if one of your pulleys is sticking. Got a new drive belt from SearsPartsDirect.com. Genuine part made by Husqvarna. We were able to thread the new belt in to match the diagram without unbolting anything. And now we'll try working the blade engagement lever to see if it tightens up properly. Do that again. Looks like it's working fine. Okay, we should be good to go. Let's try cutting some grass before we put this one in the wind column. Dead battery. The pollen is strong with this one.
So you know how there's this old house?
You kids don't know how lucky you are to have lawnmowers with 12-volt electrical systems in them. Ran out of gas. Got to go get some of that $4.79 a gallon Biden gas.